Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the surgeon knot. This technique is used to join yarn together. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is some yarn that you would like to join together. You can see that these are the two colors that I will be joining in today's video. So to begin, we're going to take our yarn and we're going to make an X with both of them. You're now going to take the ends of your yarn, bring them together and wrap them around each other. So we have our X and our wrap right here. You're now going to take the ends of your yarn again and make an X. So X, wrap, X. And then you're going to take your ends again and wrap them around each other. So X, wrap, X, wrap. This is where you're going to complete the surgeon knot. You're going to take the ends of your yarn and you're just going to pull them away from each other to make that knot. This is where you would cut your yarn ends off. And this is what your surgeon knot is going to look like. I am going to be doing it one more time. So again, we're going to take those yarn ends and make an X. We're then going to take our yarn ends and wrap them around each other one time. We're then going to take our yarn ends, make an X again. We're then going to take our yarn ends and wrap them around each other one time. This is where you would complete the surgeon knot. You're just going to pull your ends away from each other. Then this is where you would cut your yarn ends off. And you have your surgeon knot. So that is going to be how to make the surgeon knot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.